allergies are killing me. I actually started drinking my allergy medicine at 2 o'clock every day, and it already passed because it's 3:20, and because I was at work I couldn't drink it and I forgot to take it with me. And if I don't, I will break out in hives and my nose gets runny again and my eyes start watering and all the bad stuff. So, and then I've been having an issue with my eyes swelling up, so I think it's because of my allergies, so that also sucks. But welcome back to another vlog. As you guys can see, I am not in my car. I'm actually in my husband's car. Unfortunately on Monday she broke down again, and her appointment to get looked at will not be until next Tuesday. This time though, I'm not blaming my poor car. I'm actually blaming the mechanics. I have a feeling they did not do their job correctly, so I am actually going somewhere else to get a second opinion, and so they can take a look and see what they can find. If it is the same part that they had fixed, I will be calling them and let them know, because that is ridiculous. You guys know, if you saw that vlog when it broke down, I told you guys what happened. You can go back to that and see it. I think it's my week of unfortunate events or something like that. But yeah, crazy stuff. But it is now Wednesday, so it's been like 2 days ago since that happened. It's now Wednesday. I'm picking the girls up. After this we're gonna run some errands, and I want to go dress shopping for a dress, because guys, I have not found my dress for the quinceañera and I'm starting to freak out. I'm very picky with clothes and stuff like that, so I just haven't found anything that I like. And it's almost time and I still haven't found a dress. But I'm not too worried, because if I don't find one today, I am going into a different city next week on Saturday, and we have all day for me to be able to shop and find something, because I have to find something. There's no way I'm not gonna find something. So there was one beautiful dress I found at Dillard's, and I didn't buy her because she was the color beige, no, not beige, like a cream color, and it just looked like a wedding dress instead of like a party dress, and it was just like, it's a no. How am I gonna wear that? No. And the only other color they had in that dress was like a navy dark blue, and I was like, no, I need a black, because that's what's gonna match with her green. Because I don't know if you guys know, but you never wear the color of the quinceañera, even if you're the parents. That's just a no. The quinceañera's color is for the quinceañera only, so I don't want to be wearing the same color as my daughter. It's her moment to shine, and I don't want to, you know, but I do need a nice dress that looks good by her side. I was in between the gold and another color, but I can't remember. But gold, I feel, washes me out too much as the color, so that's why I'm opting for the black. I feel like black looks very good on me, and it looks very pretty with the emerald green. So yes, so I'm gonna let you guys go, because my daughter is texting me. She probably wants to know where I am in the line. I forgot to send her a message, but I will catch you guys up a little bit later. Bye. My dad sent me flowers to work. They're so pretty. I put their seatbelt on so they won't fall over, but I love them. They're super cute. So as you guys can see, I am still in my husband's car. This is probably gonna be our very, you know, awkward setup for a while. In my husband's car, there's not really space where I can sit you guys up, so I have to literally, I'm staring through the little steering wheel at the moment. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with you guys. So I didn't bring you guys dress shopping the other day. Unfortunately, they really didn't have a big selection of dresses in the color that I need. It was such a small selection. Like I literally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That was it. Like less than 10 options in the color I want. And I was like, there's nothing I like, and no. I even looked at the clearance just to make sure, but yeah, there was really nothing. So we ended up leaving and we just went home. And so I have a list of things that I need to get done, or I want to get done before we leave, you know, for the quinceañera. And there's things that, you know, it wouldn't be important to other people, but for me it is important because those are just things that are on the back of my head that need to get done, like shredding or organizing or putting things in their place, or little tasks here and there that I want to get done, other videos that I want to record. That way I have video for you guys when I'm gone. So just a few things here and there that I wanted to get done, and luckily I've been doing them. I've been checking them off my list, so I'm very happy. This week my house has been spotless. Not like last time I told you guys there was a mess everywhere and stuff. I also even brushed Nala's hair. I have this one little vacuum thing. I know you guys seen it everywhere. It's like you brush her and then it sucks the hair in. That is a lifesaver, especially for anybody who owns a husky, because if you guys know about huskies, they shed like 2 or 3 times per year depending on your husky. Mine, I want to say 3 sometimes, just because she'll, like, right now she was just shedding, so that's why I took out her fur. And then in the middle, I want to say in August she does it again, and then in December she does it again. I don't know why. Usually I'm thinking it's supposed to be twice, but I feel like Nala sheds a lot. So, and she sheds so much, I could make a whole new husky with the hair I take out. I emptied the container where the hair goes in 3 times. I could have kept going and filled it up again a 4th time, probably, but she was over it. So I just did 3, but that's like a lot of hair that's not gonna be, you know, floating around the house and stuff, and I like that. I also like the vacuum because it keeps it contained, and that way it's easy to clean up after you're done, you know, vacuuming up their hair. I love that thing. It was worth the price. She was pricey, I'm not gonna lie. I bought it on Amazon. It was like $159. I got it, well, it was $170 something, but I got a code or a discount promo something, so I ended up paying like $150 something. But it was worth it. It was worth it because it helps a lot. You guys know I have really bad allergies, and the pet dandruff and, you know, their little stuff that they release gets to me really bad. And right now with my allergies being whack and not knowing what the heck is going on with me, that being clean around the house helps me a lot. I really want to get that one air purifier thingy. I just haven't had time to order it. I think I'll worry about that after the quinceañera, as long as that's not, my allergies aren't getting worse. But yeah, I just wanted to catch up with you guys. I also want to say happy Mother's Day, guys, in case I don't come back on here and vlog again. But happy Mother's Day to all of my beautiful mamas out here. May 10th for Mexico, and then United States is on Sunday. So when this vlog goes up, in Mexico Mother's Day has already passed, but in the United States is barely on Sunday. So happy late Mother's Day to all of my ladies in Mexico, but happy Mother's Day to all of my beautiful lady over here. I wish you guys the best. You guys are all doing great. All my mamas out here, you know, you're doing your thing. Being a mom is a 24/7, you know, our job. We get no breaks, and yeah. So yeah, but yes, that's about it, guys. You know, I just wanted to update you guys a little bit and let you guys know what's going on. Yeah, I think I'm thinking of making an edible arrangement for my mom here. For my mom in Arizona, I sent her flowers, which are supposed to be getting there today. I hope. I keep checking the thing and it's not updating, so hopefully it's today. But my mom here, I want to get her edible arrangement instead, because my dad, and my sister have already sent her flowers, and they're pretty big bouquets, like the one that my dad got me, but bigger. So I was like, more flowers? You guys know me, I like special, you know, presents. So I'm thinking of making her an edible arrangement. That's what I'm thinking. I'm not giving it to her today though. I think it'll be until tomorrow because I don't have time. I have to get home, make the girls lunch, and then head back to work. So yeah, so I'll talk to you guys a little bit later or tomorrow why I'm making the edible arrangement. I know you guys can barely see me. I've been trying to put my phone on and stuff so you guys can see me. I look really creepy. Sorry, we look a little scary, but we are out here trying to see if we can see the northern lights. People are saying you can see them from over here from Florida, so we stayed up until 12. They said anywhere from 12 to 2 o'clock in the morning maybe you'll be able to see them, so I'm gonna try. I'm not gonna stay up until 2 o'clock in the morning. I had to work the next day, but the girls wanted to try right now and see if we could see anything. So far no luck, but we've seen, the girls have seen some shooting stars and, you know, some stuff in the air, so they've been having really no, I don't see anything. Yeah, so we're out here right now waiting to see if we see anything. It's gonna be pretty cool if we do get to see something. If we do, then I will try to put it in the vlog for you guys. If we don't, oh well, at least we tried. But yeah, I just want to wish you guys all a happy Mother's Day. I'm going to be ending the vlog here, and like I said, I hope you guys all have a great rest of your weekend. Enjoy your Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to all my mamas out there. You guys are doing an amazing job. Keep up the good work, and we'll see you guys in our next weekly vlog. Bye.